Australia is the world's smallest continent. The whole country is about the size of the United States, not counting Alaska and Hawaii, and it separates the Indian Ocean from the South Pacific Ocean. While the United States has 50 states, Australia only has 6, along with 2 territories: the Australian Capital Territory, New South Wales, the Northern Territory, Queensland, South Australia, Tasmania, Western Australia, and Victoria. Not surprisingly, this vast country has many different geographical features and climates. Most Australians live in the northeast part of the continent, where the weather is pleasant and mild. The state of Queensland, in northeast Australia, has some of the best grazing land on the continent. Because of its weather, Queensland is the home to many of Australia's sheep and cattle farms. Queensland is also home to the Great Barrier Reef, the largest coral reef on Earth. Many of Australia's sheep farms are also in the states of Victoria and New South Wales on the southeast corner of the continent. The area's mild climate and water from the Campaspe and Mitta-Mitta rivers have made southeastern Australia the breadbasket of this desert country. The Northern Territory lies in the middle of the Australian continent, far away from the east coast. While the northern part of the state is close to the Arafura Sea and has a tropical climate, the southern part of the state is a dry desert covered with freestanding rocks. Looking at a map, you can see that South Australia is right under the Northern Territory. Like its neighbor, the northern part of South Australia is covered by mountains and deserts. But the southeastern part of the state is different from the northern part of the state. It has a mild climate that is ideal for raising sheep, wheat, and barley. Western Australia is the largest state on the continent. Most of this state has a desert landscape, just like parts of the Northern Territory and South Australia. And like its neighbors, the differences in the state's climate and geography are varied. The far northern part of the state has a tropical climate. Rain falls regularly, and the climate is ideal for animals that eat plants to survive, as well as the animals that eat them. But the Southwest has a milder climate, which makes it easier for farmers to grow crops and raise sheep. Different climates and geographic features make Australia a diverse continent. From its lush farmlands to its barren deserts, this Australia is truly a world of its own.